To calculate depreciation values of the asset for the remaining years, paste the same formula in other cells. Again, active this cell, press mouse and drag to right. Now I calculate the operating profit of the company for the first year. Active cell reference E31. Operating profit of the company is calculated by subtracting the depreciation value of the asset for the first year to the first year value of the company initial earnings. Enter equal sign. Click cell reference E29. Enter subtraction operator. Click cell reference E30. Press enter key. The operating profit of the company for the first year is $90,500. To calculate operating profit of the company from year 2 to year 7, paste the same formula in other cells. Again, active this cell, press mouse and drag to right. This is the projected operating profit of the company for the first 7 years, and this profit is calculated by after the depreciation of the company assets. You can see after including the depreciation in the earnings section, the operating profit of the company increases from year 1 to year 7. The operating profit for the first year is $90,500. The operating profit for the second year is $103,535, and the operating profit for the 7th year is $188,339.